Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel TLV Academy. Every organization depends on assets. The machines in a factory, the servers in an IT company, the trucks in a logistics fleet, or even the hospital equipment that saves lives. But there is one harsh reality. When assets are mismanaged, they don't just underperform, they silently bleed money. Breakdowns, inefficiencies, unplanned downtime, these aren't just the small hiccups, they are hidden cost monsters. A single machine failure doesn't just mean repair bills, it means delays in production, unhappy customers, damaged reputation, and a chain reaction of losses. Now imagine a different scenario. Imagine if every asset you owned was performing at its best. Downtime was rare, costs were predictable, and every rupee or dollar you invested in equipment actually generated measurable value. That is not a fantasy. That is what ISO 55001, the international standard for asset management, makes possible. And that is what we will explore in this video. Boost performance, cut cost. How ISO 55001 makes assets work smarter. The hidden cost of poor asset management. Most businesses believe maintenance costs are the biggest expense, but the real cost is much larger. When a machine goes down, it halts operations, disappoints customers, forces emergency repairs, and sometimes even creates safety risk. Studies show that poor asset practices can drain away 20 to 30% of asset value. Imagine buying 10 machines and because of mismanagement, losing the equivalent of 3 of them without even realizing it. That is the scale of the problem. Now, why performance and cost are connected? Performance and cost are inseparable twins. If your assets perform well, costs go down. If your assets perform poorly, costs explode. Think about a delivery fleet. If it is well maintained, vehicles consume less fuel, avoid costly breakdown, and deliver on time, keeping customers happy. If neglected, repair costs rise, fuel efficiency drops, and customer trust is broken. Asset performance directly drives cost. That is exactly where ISO 55001 steps in. It connects performance to cost efficiency in a structured way. Now let's discuss what is ISO 55001. ISO 55001 is the global standard that gives organizations a framework to manage assets smartly. It helps businesses optimize performance, minimize cost, and make value-based decisions across the entire life cycle of an asset, from the day it is purchased until it is retired. Think of ISO 55001 as the GPS for your assets. Just like a GPS guides you to the fastest and safest route, ISO 55001 guides you on when to maintain, when to upgrade, when to replace, and how to maximize value without overspending. Now let's discuss the path to implementation. So how you can implement ISO 55001 in your organization? It starts with leadership buy-in. Top management must see assets not as expenses but as strategic enablers of growth. The next step is defining the scope, deciding which assets you want to manage under ISO 55001. Then you create an asset register, a detailed record of all assets, their conditions and their performance. Once you know what you have, you analyze risk, calculate life cycle costs, and set clear performance objectives. From there, you develop strategies, maintenance schedules, replacement policies, investment decisions, all based on data, not guesswork. And then you measure, review, and improve continuously. Now let's discuss the benefits of ISO 55001. The long-term benefits are undeniable. Organizations that apply ISO 55001 enjoy predictable budgets, higher output, safer operations, and greater trust from investors and customers. Their costs don't spiral out of control and their assets last longer while performing better. In short, we can say that ISO 55001 turns assets from liabilities into true value generators. Now let's discuss about the common challenges and how to overcome them. Of course, challenges exist. Employees may resist change, initial data collection may seem overwhelming, and the upfront investment might feel heavy. So implement ISO 55001 in one department. prove the savings, and expand from there. Once people see the results, reduced downtime, lower cost, smoother performance, the resistance melts away. The future of asset management. Looking ahead, the future of asset management will combine ISO 55001 with digital tools, sensors, predictive AI, and IoT will give real-time insights into asset health. Machines will talk to managers, warning of risk before they happen. Companies that already practice ISO 55001 will be ready to integrate these technologies seamlessly. They'll be ahead of the curve, while others scramble to catch up. So here is the real question now. Are you working for your assets, or are your assets working for you? With ISO 55001, you can flip the equation. You can boost performance, cut cost, and make every asset a smarter, stronger contributor to your success. If this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit like, share this video with leaders who need to rethink asset management, and subscribe for more insights. Remember, smart assets make smart businesses, and the smartest way to manage them is the ISO 55001 way. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.